get a call from school. Your child is having a hard day, and suddenly they're being sent home. Not suspended, not expelled, just removed. And it happens way more often to neurodivergent kids than most people realize. In fact, I know many parents who tell me they spend their days dreading the phone ringing because it might be the school. Hi, I'm licensed psychologist Dr. Mark Bowers. Now let's be clear about something. Sending a child home for behavior is not neutral, and in many cases, it's not even appropriate or even legal. When autistic or otherwise neurodivergent kids are sent home, it's often because the school doesn't have the right supports in place. But instead of fixing the environment, the child is removed from it. Now we call that wrongful displacement because home is not an educational setting. Parents are not trained staff, and learning doesn't happen when kids are excluded for having different needs. So here's something many families don't know. If your child has an IEP or is in the process of evaluation, any behavior that gets them sent home can be looked at as a manifestation of their disability. This is why manifestation reviews exist. They're meant to ask, is this behavior connected to the child's disability, and did the school provide the appropriate supports? So here's what we can do. First, ask for documentation. Why was the child sent home and under what policy? Second, request a manifestation determination review if behavior is involved and your child has or may qualify for protections. Third, remind the school that exclusion is not intervention, support is. Fourth, push for proactive plans. Behavior plans, sensory supports, and staff training prevent these calls in the first place. Your child doesn't need to be removed to be educated, they need to be understood. I'm licensed psychologist Dr. Mark Bowers. Follow me for even more strategies to support your neurodivergent child with science, not shame. Thanks for watching.